我覺得你企埋嗰度咧，你想乜嘅？因為嗰度係好關鍵嘅。So we are at the warehouse of Mr. Ho, who is the screen master in a previous episode. He also collects all kinds of wood, as you can see, including very precious wood that you can't really source anymore because it's not environmentally friendly, like ironwood. Or sunji, I don't know how to say that in English, but these two are precious wood often used to make furniture as well as screens. He also has camphor. Camphor is very good at repelling insects, bugs. So I'm here to try to choose the right kind of wood for window frames, doors, and maybe even some screens and cabinets for the downstairs bedroom, which is very odd shaped because it has two staircases running into the walls of the room, and I have to find a way to hide the staircases or turn those walls into like shallow closets so that the room doesn't look that bad. And also I need to cover the attic in some way because I decided to keep the attic. So I want some kind of wooden screen, maybe sliding wooden screen doors to cover the attic. So Mr. Ho is going to be my savior. He's going to try to help me. 我想你話 detail 門可以用嗰啲 detail 門啊？係。你可以幫我剪短佢嚇。得。後門都可以用，我唔係後門我都有鐵門，我而家仲未決定咧，我想唔想保留嗰兩隻鐵門？前邊有個鐵門，後邊個鐵門實要保留，因為有個獅字仔，我好中意個獅字仔，佢兩面有獅字仔。我都想要翻木門啊嘛，因為我以前細個嗰時咧木門入門嘅，一年唔係咁入到提就出來嘅，咁我要揾翻木門啦。後門係嗰種。用嘅咧得㗎。但係我記得後門係黑色嘅喎，即係。黑色嘅，佢冇黑色㗎嘛。有翻嘅嚇。有翻黑色咩啦？呢個係咩木嚟㗎？嗰啲抄啊。咩係抄啊？抄木好硬嘅，你攞去裝酸嘅。哇，係啊。OK， 咁你收集嗰啲木收集咗幾多年啊？好耐啦。20年。10年8年都有啊，3年都有。都係中山嘅。都係中山㗎。一年拆屋。拆屋嘅咧，拆屋料咧㗎，全部拆屋料。即係嗰啲係好多人哋啲古老屋嗰啲料嚟㗎。用剩啊又有啦，唔用又有啦，一米都有。我都好多執米啊，執翻啲嚟。I couldn't help but explore Mr. Ho's warehouse, even though there was hardly any room to walk. 唔得，佢敲唔到啦。敲唔到。哦，幾犀利啊！敲你抄家咁就，好聽啊，阿靚女。I should explain that it's common among Cantonese speakers in Guangdong province to address women no matter what age as lang nui, or pretty girl, and men as lang zai, or handsome boy. Mandarin speakers say mei nu or shuai ge, which means the same thing. It's nice to be called lang nui even at my ripe age. I was drawn to these tall green screens. They were the same color as the wealth, nobility, glory, and magnificent screens I planned to buy from Mr. Ho. You can't see them well from this shot, but they are unique. I haven't seen that style before. I immediately got an idea. They might look nice in the downstairs bedroom and can help me cover the awkward appearance of two staircases running through the room. There are 4 screens that are shorter, but perhaps they can cover the staircase on the side that is not so tall. The price Mr. Hall offered was not cheap to me, even though he said other dealers would charge more. Was I taking a chance buying more wood that could become food for termites? I had thought for a long time about how to make this room look nice. My second sister said she wouldn't want to sleep in it. That made me want to take up this challenge. I had considered colorful glass bricks, Japanese-style sliding screens, screen paintings not made of wood, and even curtains. But none of these seemed right. These screens might offer the perfect solution. Mr. Hall said he can put wooden panels in the back so they can be open to let air and sunshine in during the day and pulled up at night for privacy. Once again, I'm amazed at how smart people were back then. It seems like they thought of everything. But they are so old looking. Am I crazy? I recall my contractor in Taiwan telling me I had been fooled after I bought some decades-old screens from an elderly man in Tainan a few years ago. But look how beautiful they are now in my study.
有啲花爛咗嘅喎。
我咧爛好嘅，湊翻佢執翻佢啫。
你嗰個影下嗰啲特寫，你睇嗰啲花幾靚。
梗係嗰啲花好雕啦，花好殘啦。
啲花係點樣整㗎？
佢原木出嘅，雕啊。
佢木佢雕出來㗎。
雕出嚟㗎，唔係拼落去，唔係黐落去。
嗰啲有幾老啊？你覺得？
過嚟，起碼百零年啊。
唔係樟木啫。
唔係樟木，不過唔係樟木係茶木好靚。
嗰塊高好多，唔知邊塊啱，但係佢又自由。
嗰度得4塊。
哦，都係4塊喎。
都係4塊呢
度。咁後邊有啲木睇啦，都有好多喎。
好多啊！
收到整有釘，有啲好爛啊！
有啲爛啊，收好啦，唔怕。
哦，有啲係背面嘅，睇唔到前邊嘅。OK， 咁。
好齋啊，到。
以後影特寫啊！
我話咧，
我影係特寫。
嗰4塊啊，嗰4塊喺邊度啊？喺拆涌前方嗰度嗰間啊，佢個係嗰個人啊，係嗰啲清末陣你做錯下嘅，保證做錯你揾個揾啲人嚟審美嗰個話 OK 嘅。
I then spotted other items that could help beautify our ancestral house. These carved panels that used to be part of wooden screens might look nice as wall decorations, perhaps in the upstairs living room. I also had another idea, but perhaps an impractical one. I can use them as kitchen window shutters. I don't need completely enclosed windows. I'd rather have sunlight coming through the kitchen. But what happens on rainy days? I wouldn't want the rain to pour in from these open windows and the wood would get damaged easily.
廚房我唔需要閂窗㗎嘛，我梗係要陽光啦。你有冇兩邊幫我整個窗？
兩邊有啊嗱。
有冇真係？
咦嗱，嗰度有邊係擺嘅？你嗱。
哦係喎。
臉添爛咪用佢落去嘅，我幫你。
哦呢塊好似爛咗喎。
唔爛嘅。
咩？我色水都冇嘅。
洗嗰位洗過啦，有人喊愛啊嘛，我洗過佢。
你見到我嗰個窗好大定有冇？
係啊。
有冇多尺寸？
有啊有。
夠唔夠大？
夠啊，啱啱好啊，1.10米啊。
一啲顏色都冇喎。
你細張都有㗎啦。
我睇下先。
我要發邊料有隻蒜蛇㗎嘛。
係啊，我都話一定要攞嗰度先有。
一對啊。唔
係唔通啩？
係我諗通就通啦。
做咩？嗰個係綠色紅色嗰個。
嗰個細咗，嗰個冇晒。啊！係上佢諗住佢話依，
你唔係呃我嘛？樣片唔通嘅。
而家細路哥咧呃你。係啊，唉呀，真係你一講我。
OK， 即係你有辦法優分不同顏色。
啊，佢本身都係咁嘅。
係喎，咁我個廚房係有隻大窗門㗎嘛，咁我可以。我平時唔會閂窗門煮飯㗎嘛，好奇怪，我就乾脆打開啲鐵窗兩個窗壁隔離咁樣。
我寫張圖紙畫咧，你係杉木版本啊嘛，咁你愛咗做個框，將嗰塊遮住佢，有透到空，有睇到。係啊，好啊。嗰啲靠嚟靠黐嘅自己啫。
咁如果框係由乜嘢開始乜個框啊？
你幫你咁啊整個框整到教你啫，咁而家變年你冇用啦，你做唔到啦，係咪啊？靚嘞！
我都覺得我一定要來，so I knew I had to come here to see what Mr. Hall has in his warehouse, to be inspired by his precious material, which is like decades, or some of them are like maybe 100 years old. So I've just found 2 shutters, or you can call them windows, wooden panels for my kitchen. I think it would be lovely because I don't want the windows shut. So these screens can be perfect for the kitchen. Yes. OK， 咁我入去再睇下先。哇，啲咩嚟㗎？
咁靚嘅，
線套啊，
即係
咁得㗎，
做咩冤嘅？
咁㗎。
哦，以前點樣用嘅？
嗰個咪你嗰個拼空上邊嗰個疏通嗰呀，初先我執出嚟準備幫你裝落去㗎嘛。
我屏風上面鎖
嗰個氣窗啊，上面嗰條窗嗰條氣窗啊，我準備租佢落去㗎嘛。
但係我而家揀咗，
你揀咗嗰個啊？
咁你本應諗住點樣 book 我自己？
我準備租喺正中間得佢落去，佢試塊㗎嘛。試塊咗之後間疏咁做，佢本身都係㗎啦。
哦。
我
冇睇嘅咁樣。
梗係好睇，人哋係咁做嘅。
哦，即係以前都係屏風嘅。
係啊。
好靚嗰套，有幾多？
手套啊！
幾多年歷史啊？
嗰啲800年啊。
啊
！800年。
但係好輕喎，唔係松木啊。
嗰啲靚木啊，松啊冇用嘅，嗰啲係靚慘啊。
I also saw some windows that might look good in the kitchen, but the size might not be right.
嗰度門嗰時嗰個上面個窗仔啊。
上面窗仔仲未諗到，仲未睇到呀。
Mr. Hall also suggested I use these glass ornaments for the upper window in the bathroom.
哇！你今晚翻去大清潔先得。
我每次都係咁。啊，好得意。
Then I saw some beautiful porcelain paintings that could be hung on the walls in our living room. We used to have porcelain paintings, but they were also stolen. It's so smart to have porcelain paintings in this humid climate because paper or cloth will grow mold or brown spots.
哦，係一樣，唔係一樣喎。
唔係一樣啊！
都係樹嚟嘅。
4塊啊，3塊啊。
好重喎。
係黐版畫嚟㗎。
係用嚟做咩嘅？係屏風係咪？
人哋攞嚟做掛件嘅。
掛喺邊度嘅？
掛喺廳嗰度啊，4件大冷件啊，即係剩翻3件。
但係咁重點樣掛啊？
黐線啊！而家做唔掂啊！加自由嚟點樣做張拖嘅咁就闖落。
依家唔可以掛呀，唔可以。
掛得。
太重啦。
得。
因為我個客廳需要油畫。
而家有啦。
我以前油畫㗎。我有冇睇過我
睇過。
你睇過我影片啊？我老豆坐咗喺度，有個朋友喺度，咁我到12歲翻去嗰時，後邊有個6蚊工嗰啲畫啊，都係好似係黐。
我第一筆刺繡幾嘢，等
俾人偷咗。
刺繡啊，雙紅超樣啊。
係啊。
刺繡啊。
我唔識點講咩喎。
刺繡啊！
你睇下嗰個呀？
但係壞咗咯。
壞咗冇壞。
我要清潔㗎。
壞咩清潔啊？嗰個係倒清嘅嗰個呀，倒清抹嘅。
嗰個可以擺喺一個擺喺個八仙台中間，由熱嗰啲嘢食嗰陣時擺咗上邊，得唔得？咁樣。
係攞嘅。
哇！
Then I saw a table that looked like the one we had in our living room.
唔係岩石啫。
係，唔係。
係木啊。
Look at it.
He offered it for 1,000 yuan, but I wanted a lower price. This is a good lesson in bargaining for those of you planning to visit China and do some shopping in shops that don't have set prices.
1000蚊度啊
！1000蚊啊！1000蚊都好貴啊！
好貴啊！咁貴你幾多錢啊？你講啊！
800蚊，700蚊，700蚊。
冇問題，呢個而家即刻落去200蚊俾你啊！
但係你話即係整好晒之後啊？
整好晒700蚊得。但係
唔係你點樣整？要整翻畫區啊？
係啊，整緊嘅整到你啊心水得啦，咁我先俾先啦，唔得啊咪冇俾先啦。
你有冇睇我張相？我哋以前嗰啲木係好黑，好實淨嘅喎。係咪嗰種啊？
嗰啲坤甸咪黑啦，難兩啦嗰啲。佢
係咩木嚟㗎？佢係咩？
嗰啲坤甸啦，
坤甸？
佢休到咁色啫嘛。
哦。
難兩啦，我媽邊嗰張咧都冇休㗎啦，黑蒙蒙㗎。
即係嗰張啊？
第下張。
嗰張啊？
係啊。
係一套㗎，係一套㗎。
Mr. Hall has a base and said we could put the table back together. I next saw a table that could be used as a suitcase stand in the downstairs bedroom. Since we won't live in the house all the time, when we visit, we will have suitcases. If we put our suitcases on this stand, we won't have to bend down as much to get our clothes. Mr. Hall agreed to paint it green for me to match the green screens. We decided to use the screens to hide the staircases in the downstairs bedroom.
啊，咁都好喎，你遮咗個窗口啦嚇，咁啊佢入邊一個位置啊，最整總款就做得10蚊啦，
問題就係你係咪可以拉得到咯？
拉啦，做得幫你雙隻碗拉得開都得㗎。
但係我有個倉喺嗰度喎。
Mr. Hall suggested making a door so we can store things behind the screens. He said he could even make one of them open like a door. So the plan is to have a bed behind the wealth, nobility, glory, and magnificent screens, and have 4 screens next to the bed, and another 4 opposite the bed. I came away from Mr. Hall's warehouse feeling inspired and happy that I found a way to make the downstairs bedroom look nice. I'm glad I found so many items I can use in his warehouse. Let's hope my design for the downstairs bedroom will look nice. If you like this episode, please hit the subscribe button and share this video. I would love to hear what you think of the treasures I found in Mr. Hall's warehouse and my plans on how to use them in our ancestral house. Feel free to disagree with me. I welcome your advice and feedback. See you next week.
即係我哋要咩 tool 啊，你都可以刻到出嚟嘅。
得咩都得。
冇部機啫嘛。